41 Marion Rd, Belmont. Room for rent. Entering from the back porch. No parking spots available. Street parking only. This is the basement door. The apartment door has a code. And we go into the kitchen. There's a closet here. Coffee machine, juice, blender, utilities, pots and pans, fridge. Stove. One room here, both occupied. Bathroom. And this is the available room for rent. Hand-designed artist's room. Double bed. All furnished. Quiet. Internet is included in the rent. This is some additional storage. Desk, mirror, and a nice closet. Clothes hanger. Trash. One more time, overview. And this concludes the tour. Thank you.